Honor is known for launching its number series of smartphones twice a year in China. In December 2024, the brand announced the Honor 300 lineup. The brand will unveil the Honor 400 series in the first half of this year. A new leak by a Chinese tipster appears to have revealed the Honor 400 series features and a metal frame for improved durability. The Honor 400 series may launch in May 2025 and may comprise of 3 models, such as the Honor 400, 400 Pro, and 400 Ultra. The Honor 400 is apparently going to have a 6.5-inch 1.5K flat screen, while another model will boast a 6.78-inch 1.5K display with a quad-curve design and symmetrical bezels on all 4 sides. Both of these will have batteries of 7,000 mAh capacity. Honor 400 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, and Honor 400 coming with Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC. We'll have to wait for more information about the Honor 400 series. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.